So now we have a beautiful day ahead of us. We are standing here, engine, in the main service station. You can see it's a bit busy this morning. So we are Narrow. Narrow shops. As you can see, Vurman Brock here. At the city on that side. Some doctor's offices here. Some homeless guys. St. Peter Pastoral Church Center. Roman Catholic stuff. Like a fruit bus. That bus is now standing for years there. Yeah, look at this place. Look at this place. It's now a toilet. So we're here at the hospital. Yeah.
From they used to come and fight here inside the church. Yeah, that's why they cross it. Okay.
Okay. Nice life.
It's not like that.
Huh? Johnny.
Everything's okay now.
Ah, Johnny has got now a stomach. Johnny is eating nice.
It's not eating nice.
Huh? This is my friend Johnny. He's working here at the government hospital. This guy's keeping the place clean. How long have you been working here, Johnny?
20 years now.
20 years?
Yeah.
So you were a young man when you came here?
Yeah. Days to. On next year, January 21.
So you made a lot of money.
No money.
The money is in here.
Government is not.
The money is in the
government is no money.
There is money.
As long as
man.
maybe if you have a nice person.
There's money, brother. Walvisbay State Hospital.
Okay, sure.
Sharp and Johnny. Look at this now. This is a service station here. You can now stand here and just leave your car, and then you can go to the shop and buy whatever you want, and while other people are waiting in line. There's the parking for the service to go into the shop. Look there.
Video, los daai goed.
Jy weet, dis vir my YouTube.
Huh?
Dis my YouTube. Dis my YouTube. So ons het nou hier so double-sided tape gekoop. Jy sal sien hy sien hoe sukkel nou al 2 jaar nou al. Hier is goed, hier is goed. Kyk as daai mense. Fabric fold goed is. Jy sukkel met die goed is. I can't work. I'm suckling silks. Look there. Don't take out my stuff. Why are you taking out?
I wanted to show you.
No, my brother. You guys sold something to me that's a fabric fold. No, I'm also a customer. Nee, because I'm a demon. This is now, you can see there. It's the all-finished job now. Let's hope it's gonna stick. Wat 'n girl is hy? Kom ons check. Roxy.
Moenie worry met daai goed nie. Ons trek nou aan vir mense goed.
See, die ou. Die ou is stout, maar die ou.
Ek is nie stout nie, maar
Wag ek jy, miskien is jy G-string ook aan.
as jy nie is nie dan jy moet 'n braai.
Waar gaan jy? Why you ping here, man? You cannot come pee here, man. Go that side.
Take my pictures, I can see myself there, no problem. So I'm reconciling to you, I'm saying I'm not from this place, I
don't care where you are from, man. You cannot just come and pee everywhere in the public.
I'm sorry.
Just go, man. Just go.
Why are you following me like that?
Go, my friend, go. You think it's a joke? Go.
Take a picture for me. Me, I'm struggling, but you are taking. I never knew that could
Go, my friend. Don't talk. Just go. You're making me things more worse. Just go.
Oh.
Yeah.
should have found the store.
Yeah, I'm busy, I'm busy. Huh?